Ever felt like you're juggling a million tasks? And, just know that if you could just get your whole team on the same page, things would run smoother? Like, imagine this, you've got a killer job management system in place at Jobber, but your newest team member, or maybe even your longest-standing subcontractor, is still doing things the old-fashioned way. Paperwork piling up, missed communication, the whole shebang. You're thinking, there's got to be a better way, right? You're not alone. We've all been there. You've invested time and energy into streamlining your business, and now you need to bring everyone else along for the ride. Jobber can revolutionize how your team operates, but how do you actually get them in the system? How do you smoothly transition them from their current chaotic workflow to the organized, efficient world of Jobber? That's what we're tackling today. We're going to dive deep into how to invite someone to Jobber, step by step, and explore some best practices to ensure a seamless onboarding experience. Because let's be honest, just sending an invite isn't always enough. You want your team to embrace Jobber, not resist it. First, let's establish why inviting your team to Jobber is so crucial. It's not just about adding another user. It's about creating a unified workflow, fostering better communication, and ultimately, boosting your business's efficiency and profitability. Think about the benefits. Centralized information. Everyone has access to the same job details, client information, and schedules, eliminating confusion and miscommunication. Improved communication. Jobber's built-in messaging features allow for real-time communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Streamlined scheduling. Assigning tasks, managing schedules, and tracking progress becomes effortless. Accurate tracking. Track time, materials, and expenses accurately, leading to better job costing and profitability analysis. Enhanced client experience. Provide a professional and organized experience for your clients, leading to increased satisfaction and repeat business. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually invite someone to Jobber? The process is straightforward, but we'll break it down into simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Access the team section. First, log in to your Jobber account. Once you're in, navigate to the team section. This is typically found in the settings or navigation menu, depending on your Jobber version. Step 2. Click Invite User. Within the team section, you'll find an Invite User button. Click on it. This will open a new window or pop-up where you can enter the necessary information. Step 3. Enter user details. Here's where you'll input the details of the person you want to invite. You'll need to provide their first and last name. Ensure you enter the correct names to avoid confusion. Email address. Double-check the email address to ensure it's accurate. This is where the invitation will be sent. Role. This is a crucial step. Jobber offers different user roles with varying levels of access and permissions. Choose the role that best suits the person's responsibilities. Consider the following. Admin. Full access to all features and settings. Manager. Can manage jobs, clients, and team members, but may have limited access to settings. Employee. Primarily focuses on completing assigned tasks and tracking time. Subcontractor. For external partners who need access to specific job details. Choosing the correct role is critical for maintaining security and ensuring your team members have the appropriate level of access. Step 4. Customize the invitation. Optional. Jobber may offer the option to customize the invitation email. Take advantage of this. Adding a personal touch can make the invitation more welcoming and encourage your team member to accept it. You might include a brief message explaining why you're inviting them to Jobber and how it will benefit them. Step 5. Send the invitation. Once you've entered all the necessary information and customized the invitation, if desired, click the Send Invitation button. An email will be sent to the recipient with a link to create their Jobber account. Step 6. Follow up. Don't just send the invitation and forget about it. Follow up with your team member to ensure they received the email and successfully created their account. You can offer assistance if they encounter any issues. Now, let's shift gears and talk about some best practices for a smooth onboarding experience. Because inviting someone is only the first step. You want them to actually use Jobber effectively. Best practices for onboarding new users. Provide training. Don't assume your team members will automatically know how to use Jobber. Provide comprehensive training that covers the features and functionalities relevant to their role. This could include demonstrations of key workflows, step-by-step guides and tutorials, hands-on practice sessions. Create a knowledge base. Develop a central repository of resources, such as FAQs, how-to videos, and written guides that your team can access whenever they need assistance. Offer ongoing support. Be available to answer questions and provide support as your team members learn to use Jobber. Encourage them to ask questions and provide feedback. Highlight the benefits. Emphasize the benefits of using Jobber, both for the individual and the company. Explain how it will make their jobs easier, improve efficiency, and lead to better results. Set clear expectations. Clearly communicate your expectations for using Jobber. This includes how often they should check the platform, how to use specific features, the importance of accurate data entry. Led by example, demonstrate your own commitment to using Jobber. Use it consistently and encourage your team to do the same. Gather feedback. Regularly solicit feedback from your team members about their experience using Jobber. Use their feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Start small. If your team is resistant to change, start by implementing Jobber for a specific project or task. This can help them gradually become familiar with the platform and see its benefits. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your team's successes in using Jobber. This can help boost morale and encourage continued adoption. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.